Hey there, is your Show My Caller ID option grayed out on your iPhone and causing some frustration? Don't worry, I've got some quick fixes to help you get it back up and running. Let's dive into these easy steps to resolve the issue. Solution 1. Check carrier settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on General. Next, tap on About. If there's a carrier settings update available, you'll see a prompt to update. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update. After that, go back to Settings and check if the Show My Caller ID option is still grayed out. Solution 2. Turn off restrictions. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Next, scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Toggle this feature off. After that, try ejecting your SIM card from your iPhone. To troubleshoot further, insert a different SIM card to see if that makes a difference. Solution 3. Restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power button and the volume button on newer models until the slider to power off is shown. Drag the slider to turn off your iPhone. Once your iPhone is off, press and hold the power button again until you see the Apple logo. Now check if the Show My Caller ID option is still grayed out. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on General. Next, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm the reset. After the reset, check if Show My Caller ID option is still grayed out. Solution 5. Contact your carrier. If none of these previous solutions work, there might be an issue with your carrier. Reach out to your carrier's customer support for help. Ask them to check if there are any account restrictions or issues causing the Show My Caller ID option to be grayed out. Hopefully one of their solutions will fix the problem for you. If you're still having trouble or need more help, just drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.